How do we unlock Circuit Block Blast glitch to get high scores on the game? So to start, we'll just have to open the game, and then in here we'll have to select Classic, and then once we start the game, in here we'll have to tap on the settings icon. After that, we'll have to select on the replay option. So we're doing this to get a vertical block. So what you need to do here is to keep on tapping on the replay option until you get a vertical block. Once you get a vertical block, you'll have to visualize it and place the block where you can get high scores. So as an example, I'm just gonna put it here. And then as you can see, once I finish the first set, the next set, I will still get a vertical block. So this is the glitch of the game. Once you tap on the replay option, the first set of block you will get is a vertical block. And then after that, every set you will get a vertical block, which will make it easier for you to visualize and place it on the board. So as you can see here, I keep winning and receiving vertical block that I can easily place here on the board. So that's how easy we can unlock Circuit Block Blast glitch to get high scores on the game. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!